Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. This is coming from Yehua 4K Ultra HD Office Home Theater. No internet required. Multi-devices mirroring. This is going to be the wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. This thing is a must-to-have. At first I didn't know how to use it, but now I do, and I'll show you guys how to use it. Really cool though. I already opened it up and did a little test run, I guess. And then show you what you get. You get the power cord. These are easy to take off, but these are the universal plugs. This is for the US side. They got one from every country almost. There's that kind. And this one. So it depends on what part of the world you're at. They got the spot for you. Manual. Here is the, I think it's a receiver. Well, this is where you want to plug it into your laptop, Xbox, PS5, Nintendo Switch. You plug this in, and then take this little guy right here. They got antennas. You plug this into your TV at which you want to project from. Say if you want your Xbox onto another TV in your room without putting the HDMI cords. This is the thing to get. I'll show you how it's done. But definitely, hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. You guys will get these at a low cost. But these are really cool to have. Nice design. On and off switch. Power. Headphones. HDMI. VGA. The bottom looks like got the nice grips. But then it comes with the HDMI cord. Probably going to need it because I'll hook it up to my other TV in my room. And this, I'm going to hook this probably to the Xbox Series S. And we're going to project it. Then it comes with the USB. I don't think I need this, but I do need that. There should be plenty enough room, but you can always buy, longer extensions if you need it. But for where I'm going to have it, this is all I need. Power goes in there. Here. Bada boom. Bada bing. Easy as pie. Next step, we're going to be in my room. Be right back. Hey YouTubers, look at this. Check this out. Got it running there. And nowhere around is my Xbox. Xbox is over here in the green section. You do need the USB cable that comes with it, so you gotta hook it there, plug it into your USB port, and there you go. It's so easy to set up, but everything works. We're doing, as you can see, now I'm over here. This is so cool. So like I said, you could change it to like your projector, stuff like that. Pretty much anything you want to do. But that is really cool. Alright guys, check them out. Yehua, I think it is. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you.